Ramblings of a Music Teacher, episode 49. How to maintain motivation. It is not an uncommon occurrence that some of my students, particularly the beginner ones, don't always practice enough. Usually the desire and intention is there. Promises are made that this week will be better. But when it comes to the following lesson, it can often be the case that there has not really been much improvement. One suggestion that I offer in such circumstances is to have a schedule. A typical conversation might start, "So, will you practice more this week?" "Yes," comes the reply they are expecting I want to hear. To which I reply, "When?" "Every day." "When every day? What time? When you get home from school, after dinner, in the morning? Exactly when?" And after a little discussion, it might be that we make a little practice diary together for them to fill in after each practice. Now, this might seem too babyish for a more mature, advanced or self-disciplined student. But is it really? Could you not ask yourself the same questions? Is a practice diary just for younger children? Or would even an adult benefit from setting themselves goals to achieve, rather than aimlessly filling in half an hour of playing their instrument? And notice I didn't say practicing. However, motivation is not just dependent on setting strict goals and schedules, but also on desire and getting enjoyment from practicing, especially some of the more tedious aspects such as the technical work or scales. One of the best ways to start enjoying what you are doing is to see the results, and these results come from those self-disciplined plans mentioned earlier. It is a circle which can be either positive or negative. A positive circle starts with discipline, and that leads to results, which equals motivation. A negative circle, on the other hand, starts with no goals or plan, and that leads to slow progress, which equals a loss of desire to continue. Maybe in the past, or even now, you might feel in this negative circle, and what you need to kick-start this circle into reverse is a little self-discipline and goal planning. Please feel free to share in the comments below what you do to organise your practice schedule, or maybe there is something else that motivates you. But as always, thank you for listening, and tune in next time for more ramblings of a music teacher.